Grade 5, Organizing Writing. Organizing writing involves arranging thoughts and ideas in a clear and logical manner to effectively communicate with readers. This includes structuring sentences, paragraph, and overall content in a way that flows smoothly and makes sense. Organizing writing also involves using traditional words and phrases to connect ideas and create coherence throughout the text. Organizing writing consists of pre-writing, editing, drafting, finalizing. Question: choose the correct conjunction to complete the sentence. Grace twisted her ankle. Blank, she can't play in the volleyball game today. Is it Grace twisted her ankle, but she can't play in the volleyball game today? Or Grace twisted her ankle so she can play in the volleyball game today? The correct answer is Grace twisted her ankle so she can play in the volleyball game today. The best conjunction is so. It connects two simple sentences and it tells that something happens because of something else. Grace twisted her ankle so she can't play in the volleyball game today. For our final answer, the correct answer is so.